Well, looking at it from here, it's not easy, is it? Oh well. Anyway, we've come to this this road. I've forgotten what it's called now. To see what we can do about repairing it. Oh, he must have come up here as well. Well, where's the hole then? Oh, it's down there, that's right. It's recording. Fancy coming down. Right. I still can't remember what this road is. We've come down here where Neil went up last about 3 weeks ago, I think it was. And the whole roadway has been washed away down near where Terry is. And I thought I'd come here and try filling it in. But I think it's too much for us. Even if we came for a day in the vans with all the equipment, I don't think we'd ever get this proper again. I wouldn't fancy going down it even. And that's not the hard bit yet. And the bad bit is down, as I said, where Terry was. And that's the really bad bit down there. We've thrown a lot of rocks in there, so it won't get any deeper. But I'm afraid it's no good. What we're going to have to do is come up, you see that fence post there, around this tree, and up the bank here, and come out where near Ben is. Hopefully. But today we're going down, not up. Right, that will do for all these brambles and buggers, aren't they? That's a bit of a one as well, eh? Yeah, and here. More. I don't think you'll get up on a trials bike unless you went up there, went up to the side. Yeah, you could do, couldn't you? Yeah.
Another big storm and all that will wash away.
Yeah.
Yeah, well actually, you move them fingers from down there, that might flatten out.
There must have been a drain there.
Yeah.
At some time, you know, that
it's partially blocked.
Yeah. Underneath that big slab.
Yeah, most of the water goes down there and only a bit when it's very heavy. It's
blocked it all. Well, yeah, you can see it's got all the way here, haven't you? It's washed all down, all the gravel's washed down here. Oh, it must have been a sight to see. Nice, I think we'll ride down now. Hopefully we'll be able to ride down it or walk slowly down it. We shall see. Okay, where do we go then? Down the hill into the unknown. Well, not really. I'll start that again so I don't have a picture of you. I'll start that again. I'll start my commentary again rather than showing you hitching up your trousers. Right. We're all ready to go down the hill now. Ben's waiting to close the gate so he doesn't have to go first. The engine's a bit cold now. You did that, didn't you? Whoops. Yeah. Stop here. I'm going to go all the way down and then come back up and Oh. Well, I think it'd be safer if I walk this bit. Definitely. I'll do. Hopefully it'll stand up right. Yep, we're okay. Then walk back up and film them coming down. And the sun's coming out. There it is. Yeah, careful now. You knock your bike over. That's it, yeah. We're there. So we don't want to go down there. Certainly not. Not very nice. We ripped all the roots away from that tree. Okay. Onward. Get away from the edge before I get on. This happened. Oh, the fence is gone.